Hello and welcome back to the channel. Behind me I have the 2014 GMC Terrain. It has a 2.4 liter Ecotech motor in it. Stay away from that motor. Just notorious for a whole laundry list of problems, especially burning oil. Recently I did a major repair to this car. I replaced the timing chain, balance shaft chain, and associated wear components, and the car's been running great. I will leave a link for that video in the description down below as well, but about a week ago, that dreaded check engine light came on, and guess what code we got? P0420, which indicates that there is an issue with the catalytic converter, most likely. You could have an issue with the sensors, could be a burnt or chewed up wire, but most likely your catalytic converter is not doing its job properly. So here's the catalytic converter, here's the engine. In between the engine and the catalytic converter is the upstream oxygen sensor, and then after the catalytic converter is the downstream oxygen sensor. So when you get that code, generally the downstream oxygen sensor is telling the computer, hey, this catalytic converter isn't doing its job properly. I'm sensing that there's an excessive amount of pollutants passing through the catalytic converter, and something has to be done. I want to show you how I got that code cleared up on this car. Due to the fact that this car burns so much oil, that burnt oil probably coating up the catalytic converter, and I figured, you know what, let's give this stuff a try. This is OxyCat. This is Oxygen Sensor and Catalytic Converter Cleaner. It is a German technology, made in Germany. This stuff's a little expensive. I think it's like $20 or $25 a pop, but I figure it's worth a shot, right? So I believe the instructions state to add this to the fuel tank when you have less than a quarter tank of fuel, and then fill up and then go on a long journey, which that's exactly what we did. Filled up the fuel tank, took the car for an hour and a half drive, and then an hour and a half drive back, and a few days later, sure enough, the code actually cleared. I want to talk about worst case scenario. Let's say you try that, maybe you try 2 cans of that stuff and it doesn't fix your problem. You have some options. So let's talk about what your options are. You could, well, first things first, you should do a proper diagnosis. Get underneath the car, check to make sure all the wiring's good. Try and determine whether your oxygen sensors are good or bad. They're fairly inexpensive to replace, but when it comes down to it, if that stuff really doesn't fix your problem, you're probably going to have to either replace the catalytic converter, or if you're using your car for off-road applications, I'll talk about this device in a moment here, but when it comes to replacing the catalytic converter, that can get pretty expensive pretty quick. So they sell aftermarket catalytic converters, and you can pick one of those up for maybe $200 or $300, but I read a lot of the reviews about the aftermarket catalytic converters, and they were pretty crummy. I think if you're going to go the route of replacing the catalytic converter, I think you have to bite the bullet and buy the OEM catalytic converter. That's expensive. You're looking at $1,000 to $1,200 for a new part. Maybe you could salvage one off a junkyard car, but those suckers, especially OEM, are very expensive, and I would highly recommend going with OEM if you do plan to replace the catalytic converter. Now, here is an off-road fix. So this is illegal for on-road use. What this is a spacer. So what this basically does, or what you would have to do in order to clear that code, is you would have to remove the downstream oxygen sensor, which again is after the catalytic converter, take that out, install this spacer, which this spacer pulls that sensor slightly, about maybe an inch and a half out of the stream of the exhaust. And by pulling it out of that main stream, in theory, it should sense that there are less pollutants passing through the catalytic converter. I'm not the best at explaining it, I'm not a scientist, but that's basically what it does. It takes that sensor, backs it out a little bit so it doesn't get as much of the contaminants, and it's a way to make that check engine light go away. Again, that is only for off-road applications. This part is illegal. You cannot find this at any auto parts store. You cannot find this on Amazon. Walmart sells it though. Now this part, this is an oxygen sensor adapter. So go on walmart.com and look up oxygen sensor adapter, and that's how you will be able to find this. Stainless steel, there's a little screen there, and it's probably shipped from China. Common threads, it will work with your oxygen sensor. because those are pretty much standard threads. They're metric, maybe M19 or something like that. But you can find something similar from Amazon. I believe it's called a spark plug fowler, and it's basically a spark plug spacer. But in order for it to work with your car, you may have to drill at the bottom because I believe it's a bit constricted. Now, I just want to remind you once more, these spacers are only for off-road applications and they are illegal for on-road use. But I will leave a link for this OxyCat catalytic converter cleaner in the description down below. This stuff worked. I'll update in the comments section down below how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts forever, the life of the car. We'll see. I'll update though.